Welcome to your Google Sheets. This is where your content will be placed for you to approve. It's important you know how to use this sheet so that you're utilising it in the most efficient way. This is Google Sheets. It's pretty much a mirror of Microsoft Excel. It shares the same functions. Check the tab down the bottom is the right one. It's usually done month by month and labelled that way. The first box here is the image that is going to be posted on your account. It's been sectioned out so that you can view how your grid is going to look on Instagram. If you do require something a little more visual, I can upload these to an Instagram profile for you, just let me know. The second box is the caption that will be posted. This box is what gets copied and pasted directly to the scheduling app, so make sure that whatever is written here is correct. If you find minor mistakes such as spelling or extra words, delete it straight from this box and replace it with what you want to say. To make changes, double-click on the cell and start typing where you need. Keep in mind this is like Excel, so the functioning can be quite different. If you make a mistake, you can always Control-Z. This box here is for any comments you need to leave with me. If there is something I have posted that is incorrect or you don't like anything, just write it in this column. If there are no comments in this section, I assume it's all approved. Nothing will be posted until I get the email from you saying it's approved though. Please make sure that you take the time to read through the entire sheet, as changes should be avoided where possible after the content has been scheduled. If you have an image you want to insert into the cell, go to Insert, Images, Image in Cell. Or you can email me the image and write in the box some notes for me. There is no need to save this document. It is a live document, meaning there can be multiple people in there at once. It auto-saves every 10 or 20 seconds, so upon making a change, hold 10 seconds and then exit.